You are going to love the 2025 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, perimeter alarm, body color door handles, inside you'll find Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass, powerful, controlled, resourceful. Expedition. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.